So we'll actually, as you see, this system goes enacts a networks of the things that have been discussed. So when you click one thing, the network rearranges, and you see where the discussion goes. So you actually um, uh, don't have linear paths on the discussion because many things take places at once. Okay.
Also diachronic. And also, this is not a diachronic blog. I want to apologize for my English is not so good. And my interest in this stuff that is all made by my friend here is that this is a blog, but not a linear one, and it's, the tags that you put on the end of every post made the map. So the map is just something spreading, something horizontal or made like not time-based. And so, because the discussion is a little difficult and just started, and want to ask people to enter the discussion and add something new to our dialogue, the map is useful because can let people and let me, because I'm an architect and not so comfortable with words as I'm with 3D ideas and space. So I can refine everything in progress, and also we can do this together in a team, in an environment.
Okay. So this is the discussion and the meta discussion together, and we'll tell you a bit of what happened while we were discussing, and in the meantime, you also will see how the thing works. And I underline and highlight this. This is a work in progress. This is something that we are developing. You see it enacted here in a very simple way, but we are enacting it in many very complex ways, so that these can become tools to work on production, on education, on several kinds of environments in which knowledge is involved. Okay, so we'll start from the first keyword we touch, which is architecture, architettura in the middle here. Oh, I'm sorry, wrong one. We started from framework actually, because the idea was on the framework, and so there is a war. Okay, this is a war on codes, because the world is completely encoded. Okay, encoded in many ways. First, the coding happened at the physical level. So this is a place to shop. This is a place to work. This is a place to learn. But now it's happening a lot and mostly on information. And more, the war happens in a thing that is called framework. And the framework is something like an architecture. So who designs the framework, be it in software or be in concrete, defines the degrees of freedom.
My opinion about framework. First, I wanted to talk about the conceptual framework of art and the champ, etc. But now my idea is that the first framework is the body, because we are now changing our ideas about body and mind, and we use new information like the one that of ubiquitous neurotransmitters that change quite everything about how we consider our link with everything, with space, and now for an architect or a project have to consider that there are new weapons like NLP, like a new conception of yoga, like radical thinking, and new in the warfare we have new wars, and we have to consider it when talk about what is happening and how we can affect the present and how we can enter in the warfare.